Good morning. The bears will be pleasantly surprised as investors find themselves in a season of surprises. After China's unexpected second hike in the reserve ratio last week, the Fed has increased the discount rate by 25 basis points. The US Central Bank said that the moves reflect improvement in the US economy and does not reflect any change in the policy. Last week, Fed Chief Ben Bernanke had indicated of an upcoming move, but not many had anticipated any action between meetings. The dollar is up while gold prices have slipped further. Crude oil too is up. The Fed move came after Wall Street trading, while US stocks gained in a volatile session. European shares advanced, but Asian markets are mixed. China markets remain shut. We expect a weak start in India amid concerns on monetary tightening worldwide. One needs to be careful between the constant flow of news and high market volatility across. Inflation is threatening to reach double digits, though the RBI remarks that it will not hike rates before April. But then RBI too could be surprised if inflation shoots up sharply. Nestle India, SKF India and Vyeth will announce their results today. FIIs were net sellers in the cash segment on Thursday at Rs 3.51 billion on a provisional basis, while the local funds were net sellers at Rs 1.22 billion, according to figures published on the NSE website. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 479.9 million. On Wednesday, FIIs were net buyers of Rs 12.24 billion in the cash segment, while mutual funds were net buyers of Rs 2.62 billion, according to the SEBI website. RIL may ask for more time to sweeten Loindale Basel bid. Adani Group has evinced interest in setting up a 100 MTPA port in Orissa at an investment of 100 billion rupees. Food inflation rose for a fourth straight week to 17.19% for the week ended February 6th. On the fertilizer industry-related announcements by the government, the India Infoline research team views the government's announcement of 10% hike in urea prices deregulation for DAP and MOP products, and new nutrient-based subsidy regime as a significant milestone for both the industry and the government. The recommendations are Renuka Sugars sell. Traders are recommended to sell the stock in the range of between Rs 186 to 182 with a stop loss of Rs 191 for a target of Rs 170. Videocon India a buy. Traders are recommended to buy the stock in the range of Rs 238 to Rs 244 with a stop loss of Rs 232 for target of Rs 255 and Rs 260. Traders are advised to build long position for the only above 4,940 to 4,950 levels. On the downside, major support exists at around 4,825. On the F&O side, long Bharti Airtel Limited Feb future at Rs 282 for the target price of Rs 290 and stop loss is to be placed at Rs 277, lot size 500. And long ITFC Feb future at Rs 155 for the target price of Rs 165 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 150, lot size 2,950. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.